After this system for determining symbols of the elements. Number 1 point, the symbol of the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of their English name. For example, H, B, C, N, O, F, P, S, I. Means H means hydrogen. H means hydrogen. Then B for boron. Then C for carbon. So here we have taken one first letter. Hydrogen H, boron B, carbon C. So like this, O for oxygen, F for fluorine, P for phosphorus, S for sulfur and I for iodine. Then second, if the name of the element has the same initial letter as another element, then the symbol uses the first and the second letter of their English name. For example, here is hydrogen. So we have taken the symbol H. We have another element which is starting from H, like helium. So here if we have written this H, then how can we distinguish between the hydrogen and the helium? So for the difference, here we have written H small e, means we have taken first two letters. In hydrogen we have taken first letter, so same word has given, so that's why we have taken two words from the helium. So if we have write H means hydrogen, if we were writing helium, then we can write this one in capital letter and other word in small letter, not in cursive letter. Then the third point on page number 21. So here is also given some more examples: lithium, beryllium, neon, aluminium. So beryllium, we have taken a boron B. So that's why in beryllium we have taken the another word and we can write beryllium B E. Then examples, if the two, after examples, if the first two letters of the element name are the same as another element, if first letter and second letter both will be the same, then how can we write the symbol? Then the symbol consists of the first letter and the first consonant of the English name. After vowel we can take that word. They do not have in common. So for example, magnesium is given. So in magnesium we will leave the A vowel. Then we will take here Mg. Same manganese. So we will leave the A, then Mn. Same in chlorine, Cl. Then chromium, Cr. So last formula, some symbols are based on the old name or Latin name of the element. There are 11 elements. So some formulas are written according to their Latin names. For example, if we have nitrogen, so we will write the nitrogen N. And then we have another name, neon, so we have written Ne. So like the same way, if we have sodium, Sodium, sodium is starting from S, then again sulfur, S. So for sodium name we have taken from their Latin names. तो Latin names of the sodium is, see in the example, natrium. तो sodium's Latin name is natrium. So we have taken Na from here. Like the same ferrum, iodine formula is iodine I. So then the again word is starting from the I, that is iron. So we have taken the formula of iron from their Latin word, and their Latin name is ferrum. Ferrum. So we have taken first two letters Fe. When we want to write iron, we will write Fe. Then how can we write silver? So we have again, its Latin name is argentum. So we have taken Ag. We left the one consonant which is not common. Then what is the significance? What is the significance of element? Why we have formulas for elements? So significance of symbol of elements give the name of the element and one atom of the element. Like this helium, one atom He, argon Ar, xenon Xe. These are the examples of inert gases. Neon Ne, krypton Kr, then radon Rn. So like this, some common element symbol is aluminium Al, calcium Ca, copper Cu, gold Au, iron Fe, lead Pb, magnesium Mg, mercury Hg, potassium K, platinum Pt, sodium Na, silver Ag, zinc Zn, bromine Br, carbon C, chlorine Cl, hydrogen H, iodine I, nitrogen N, oxygen O, phosphorus P, silicon Si, nitrogen N. So here again some examples are given in the more to know. Like these, some elements whose symbol are the first letter. तो फर्स्ट लेटर मीन्स जिनका हमने फर्स्ट लेटर लेना है. तो कार्बन C, सल्फर S, बोरॉन B, आयोडीन I, ऑक्सीजन O, नाइट्रोजन N, phosphorus P, fluorine F. The second one is some elements whose symbol are the first two letters, where we have taken the two letters, not the single letter. Aluminium Al, argon Ar, magnesium Mg, cobalt Co, silicon Si, bismuth Br. Then third type of some elements use the letters of their Latin names. So we have taken their name from the old one names. Sodium name is natrium, we have taken Na. Copper, cuprum Cu. Silver, argentum Ag. Mercury, hydrargyrum Hg. Potassium, kalium K. Iron, ferrum Fe. Lead, plumbum Pb. Have a nice day.